Hey guys, my name is Sagar, and in this lesson, we will learn about who is my audience, who is my audience. So that is one question that many people they don't know before selling any product. They know about product because they see that this product making money, and they forget about that who is their target audience. I keep asking people like, who is your audience? They're stuck. I don't know who is my audience. All businessmen. This is not your answer, right? Businessman can be anything. There's so many type of industry. Who is exactly what is their age? What is their interest? What is their desire? What is their goal? Everything you need to know. So let's understand uh, in deep into it, like how exactly you can find out your who. So finding your target market is half of the battle of building any successful affiliate marketing business because affiliate marketing is something the product is already created and you have to find out the market and you have to just place in front of them, right? So that is what is affiliate marketing is and but you can only find where your target market is if you know the your like who are they, right? So it is very much important that understanding your customer avatar is very, very important. Many people skip this, but I never suggest that don't skip this because you will get stuck every single time you don't clear about your business, about your avatar. Now you have to understand what is their pain of their the people you are targeting with, and what is the goal you are targeting with. So there are two things, right? Any businessman or any people, they have two things, right? Either they have a pain they wanted to solve. Let's suppose I'm in a job, I'm not liking my job. I wanted to shift my job into, I want to build a business, and maybe I wanted to do a job into like where there is a no like workload, something like that. That is the pain they are going through. They wanted to resolve. They wanted to change their company. They wanted to like shift their place, location, anything they are planning, the pain they are going through, and the goal. Maybe their goal is to some amount of money, or maybe some amount of position, or maybe their goal is to like building a business, whatever they are, right? So this is what like there's the two things. Either they are having pain, either they have a goal. So either they are going towards their goal, either they're moving from their pain. There's a two thing happens anybody in the consumer market. So now we need to understanding these situations and we need to put forward a product. Let's suppose I promote one challenge that is by ClickFunnels. So I see that if you have a pain that you are struggling with your existing business, you are not getting leads, no sales, then join this challenge. It will help you to get sales funnel, which will help you to convert, help you to get traffic, how you can build traffic for free, so many things. So it will remove them from their pain. They are having existing business or their business current business not running or they don't have any business. But the goal, yeah, sometimes people they say no, I don't have any problem, but they have a goal, right? If you are at let's say $1,000 in a month, then definitely you wanted to build a business of $10,000, $100,000, $1 million. This is what you wanted to go through, right? Your goal. If you don't have any problem, that's perfectly fine, but definitely you will have a goal. How you can achieve it? Do you have any successful roadmap for that? Yes, I'll give you my framework. This is my post. Yeah, this is my affiliate product. It will help you to achieve your goal. That is something you need to focus. But now you need to think what do they spend a lot of time thinking about? What is their frustration? What is the thing? Or like now, where do they hang out? Online or like any events, anywhere. You have to figure it out. How old are they? It is all depend upon if they are very old. I think the chances of taking action is sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on the product. So it also very matter of that what they do. Exactly you have to figure it out. You have to figure it. Okay, this is Mike. So Mike is my customer avatar. He is a 50 years old. He is having his own business. He is struggling with this. You have to figure it out on your notebook, and then you have to fit that how I can fit this into my business. So my goal is, hey, Mike is my customer avatar. He's doing a job and his age is 26, but he wanted to earn passive income, and I can help them to get passive income and earning affiliate income uh, from my coaching program, my courses. This is what I figured out my customer, right? So pro tip, if you still don't understand what is all about, like finding out customer there, finding out dream customer, what is their problem, pain, forget about it. Just if you can understand yourself first, I think you can understand your market. So most of them, sometimes what happens, like your who is your old you. It means, let's suppose when I get started with this marketing journey, I was not sure what to do. I was also confused about that. Then when I take this opportunity, okay, this opportunity give me new things. Okay, I now what I can do is I can find it out my old self, where Sagar has not got this opportunity. He's struggling the same situations. Now what I can do is I can just go into the market and figure out who is that Sagar still struggling with their job or anything, or like going through the financial crisis and looking for an extra money, extra side hustle. Who is that? Then I can find, okay, these are the people I can target. So I target on specific groups. I think that they are hanging with that group, so I go to that group. That is what my strategy. Just find out who is the now in the same position as you are and that day. So you, because the reason being I told you this is a pro tip, because you know yourself much more than any other target market. You maybe you will not find your target market, but you know yourself much better. That is what will help you to understand your customer. They don't know about this opportunity. Yeah, they don't know, as I told you, like, they don't, you know that you are one step ahead of those people. Now you can recommend them, okay, this is the opportunity I got, now I'm getting results, you will also get results. I can do it, you can do it. So your mess become your message now. Now you can help more and more people. You are one step ahead of others. That is, I told you are one step ahead of your old you. Find out that old you, who are the same people struggling with that you are at few months or few years from now. So find your old you in the market. That's it, the pro tip to get started. Don't think about it, just go for it. So this is all about the things, finding your audience. Now thing is, who can be your audience if you go beyond your you? Let's suppose you don't know, I want to find some niche inside the market who can be benefit for this product. So this is target audience I have selected only for let's say ClickFunnels affiliate. Maybe some other SaaS products, if you are promoting or any courses, can be benefit of this target audience. Just understanding target audience is the key, not like a very any other thing. So entrepreneurs, like let's go like ClickFunnels users, like those who wanted to build business, entrepreneurs who wanted to build business, they want to grow business. Definitely, they need sales funnel, like a funnel builder, like ClickFunnels. They wanted to grow business. They wanted to get more and more customers. ClickFunnels users also, if you promote, let's suppose one flow challenge, they can also level up their business. If you're promoting the softwares, the chances of getting retention is more when you refer them one Pallavi challenge. Competitions, definitely. Let's suppose you are promoting ClickFunnels. What are the other product people are promoting the same software, like similar software um, inside in the market? You can find it out. The who are the funnel builder they are promoting this software. Now you can tell them that okay, these softwares have this is a problem. Now if you use ClickFunnels, this can be a benefit for you. Business owners really is also quite similar to entrepreneurs. Influencers, they wanted to grow their brand, their through funnels. That is what sales professional. Now, a sales professional, how you can automate the sales process through sales funnel. Work at home's mom, yeah, they are very much important because they know they have such a great skill, but they don't know how to scale it up. This is possible through a sales funnel. Affiliate marketers like you, me, like, that is can be helpful for us to understand what is the power of sales funnel here when it comes to conversion. Let's suppose we have a type of traffic, but every people don't convert at the first go. We have to take through there some certain email sequences, putting on some other funnels. That is, a funnel will help you to convert more people. This is what for affiliate marketers or anyone can take benefit of this sales funnel or this training, or it can be NGO, like that can be possible. But this is the guys, like this is the all about understanding your who, and that is the thing. So thank you guys. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe, and just you can see in the just below, and like the thumbs up so can it reach more and more people. This message should reach out and more to more people so that more people will get benefit. Thank you guys. I'll come with the next lesson. Bye.